We're here at the Petrified Forest at the Blue Mesa Trail. Blue Mesa. So Blue Mesa Trail right here is one of the greatest parts of this park. That's what we've been told. And so we're really excited to go into this because it's very different than everything else in the park. We've got this blue hueish colored rock that you get to hike through. So we're pretty excited to do this simple but 1 mile loop. It's pretty cool right there. You got that like balance rock right on the edge of a cliff. Just some simple switchbacks leading on down into this area.
Oh, yeah.
And there's a nice convenient bench if you want to sit here on your way back up.
I'll stop it. Where did the loop start?
This is where the trail splits right here and does the loop. We're gonna take the right. So they say that this dried rock right here is really kind of reminiscent of elephant skin, which I totally could see that as it dries out. You can actually see petrified wood here and random spots up there too. Just kind of all over this park.
It's heavy, right? So it's like a rock.
I think it's fascinating to see all these pieces of petrified wood everywhere.
Yeah.
So we're about halfway through the park, and this is like right in the middle, I guess, but honestly, I have to say so far, this is the best section of the park that we've seen so far. This place is fascinating. We haven't seen anything like this yet in the park. It's very different than the rest of it. How much petrified wood is out here too? Cool. It's like a balanced rock, but it's a balanced petrified piece of wood. So the trail is paved too the whole way, so it's very easy to maneuver around and to find your way. It's not like some of the other places in the desert where you have to follow cairns and you're just way out there in the middle of nowhere. It's a pretty easy path to follow. So Blue Mesa behind us, finishing up this video. I hope it inspired you to get outside and enter in the moment. We're here in the Petrified Forest.